All right, hi everybody. Happy Tuesday. So hopefully you're being nice to Mrs. Habercorn, and you're having a good day so far. So I am going to go over these three problems. And it's multiplying polynomials is what it's called. It's essentially doing the magic squares, but we're going to do bigger magic squares because we have more things. So this is page 2 of section 4.2. You should have these notes. If not, just copy them down on paper, and then once you have them, go see Mrs. Habercorn, and she will get your assignment to you. Okay? So let's take a look at this one right here. We want to multiply negative x squared plus 2x plus 4 and x minus 3. So if you think about that, to multiply things, and how do we multiply polynomials? And the answer to that is magic squares. But if you look at this one and how it's been different than what we've seen before, is notice we've got 1, 2, 3, and then over here we have 1, 2. So what it looks like, and what it'll look like on your homework assignment, is it really looks like this. We'll have negative x squared plus 2x plus 4, and then in parentheses we'll have your x minus 3. Okay? And notice once again I've got 1, 2, 3 terms, and I've got 2 terms right here. Right? In the past what we had was we had 2 terms, and we made a 2 by 2 box. Notice we have 1, 2, 3 terms and 1, 2 terms. So the only difference is we make a 3 by 2 box. And so I'm going to make my box right here. And notice that it is 3 by 2. Now what goes where? Along the top here, since I have 3 boxes or 3 spaces along the top here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And so it's going to be negative x squared, 2x, and 4. And then along the side, I'm going to do my x and minus 3. And we go ahead and fill in everything. So x times negative x squared is negative x to the third. X times 2x is 2x squared. I'm just multiplying those boxes, just like I would if it was what we did before. And then this is going to be 4x. And then down here, negative 3 times negative x squared is 3x squared. Negative 6x, and negative 12. The last thing we want to do is simplify all of those like terms. So I'm going to start here. I've got negative x to the third. I've got 2x squared and 3x squared. That is 5. 3 plus 2, x squared. 4x, negative 6x, negative 2x, and then minus 12. And that's essentially how you do it. No sweat, right? Okay, let's take a look at the second example. The second example, we want to multiply those 3 things together. X minus 1, x plus 4, and x plus 5. So what it will look like on your homework is it'll look like this. You have x minus 1, you're going to have x plus 4, and you're going to have x plus 5. And it's going to look like that 3 in a row. Here's what you got to do. Pick 2. Magic square them. Get an answer. Magic square your answer with the third one. And so you can pick any 2. I like to pick the first 2. So I'm going to pick these 2 right here. And I am going to magic square them. And so set up my magic squares. And x and negative 1, x and 4, and I go ahead and fill in my boxes. So I have x squared, negative 1x. This is just like we've done before, 4x and negative 4. Okay, I bring that out, and I'm putting parentheses this time, x squared plus 3x minus 4. And now what I want to do is, now that I've got these 2 multiplied to get this, I want to bring this down. And so I'll bring my x plus 5 down. And now I'll do magic squares with these 2. And so notice I've got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So I'll set up my boxes. So I have 3 boxes and 2 boxes. And so we've got x squared, 3x minus 4. and x and 5. So we get x cubed. When we fill in the boxes now, 3x squared minus 4x. And this is 5x squared, 15x, and negative 20. And now we pull everything out. So start with your x to the third. And that takes care of that. 3 and 5, 8x squared. 15 minus 4. 15 and negative 4 is 11x and minus 20. And I think that's it. I'm going to go grab your homework assignment from the bin and make sure there's nothing else I got to show you. So just pause there for a moment as I walk away. Oh, let's see here. I think that's it. All right, that's it. I'm going to stop. Enjoy your day. Bye now. Get your assignment, get to work.